Hello students, welcome back to our channel. So this is the most useful video for the students who are appearing for Tg-Icet 2025. If you don't know the question in the examination, what option you need to give, what is the most repeated option like A or a B or C or D or like that, okay? So in this video I will give you a tip that, so as I have referred the previous year question papers of Tg-Icet, every student, like you, beside you, whatever the students is seating, like the paper codes will be there like A, B, C, D. So in that answers, when we are going through with the answers, most repeated option is C. If you don't know the question, if you don't know the answer, okay, so that time negative marks is not there, no, so definitely you apply for, you attempt for the answer. So what is the most repeated option is means C. If not C, if you are thinking that C is not at all there, I know about that, like confident you are then having, means go with B. Okay, after C most repeated option is B, and after that most repeated option is A, and after that most repeated option is D. Like order wise I am saying again, C, B, A, D. Okay, so most repeated is C ma. Okay, if you think that C is not possible, I know about that, but remaining A, B, D, in that only if your answer is there means then go with A or B, like that. Okay, so this is the basic strategy. If you see the previous year question papers also, most of the repeated options is C, B, A and D. This is purely my personal thing. I'm not saying that compulsory that only will be the answer. Okay, so I hope that you have got clarity, and let me know in the comment section how you felt about my tip. So this is the most important which I have followed when I was writing my Tg-Icet. Okay, so all the very best for your examination as well as your preparation ma. So if you're having any further doubts regarding this Icet, let me know in the comment section, and all the very best. I hope that you all people will qualify with good ranks. Okay, all the very best. See you all in the next video, and thank you so much students.